Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is December the 23rd, 2020. As you all can see, today we're going to talk about XRP and all of the drama that is surrounding this one particular cryptocurrency. But before we do, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. We want you to hit that bell notification as well. We want to make sure that you stay notified of our price predictions that we are covering here in the cryptocurrency space. Also, let me make mention of a new perk that we are going to do starting January 2021. We are going to give everyone the opportunity to start seeing our predictions and joining in with us and participating with us in predicting the markets. Okay, so if that is something that is interested to you, make sure 2021 of January, we are going to release that so that we all can participate together in predicting and forecasting what the trap has in store in the cryptocurrency space, in the stock market, in commodities, wherever the case may be. If there's a market, we can also follow right along with the trap. And we want to give you all the opportunity to participate and also try to learn as much as you possibly can in this particular knowledge. Okay, so make sure you all look forward to that. So it's not a surprise that you probably have already heard that XRP is being sued. Well, not XRP, but Ripple is being sued by the SEC in regards to their possession and how they controlled XRP in the market. Okay, you guys can see right here. Here's the actual case docked in the United States District Court of the Southern District of New York. It's the SEC versus Ripple Labs, Bradley Garlinghouse, and Christian A. Larson. And one of the things that I found interesting is that they demanded to have a jury trial. They want to have individuals decide on the merits of the case. That is quite interesting. Rather than taking it to just a judge, they want people, individuals in the community, to come up with a solution to this case. Now, it's not a surprise. We saw that the weakness, everyone were waiting for regulatory clarity in regards to XRP and if it's a security. Well, I think this particular case gives you your answer. This is the regulatory clarity that many people were expecting. Now, it may not be what you wanted, but you can already see that this is the stance of the SEC. Now, understand that there may be other regulatory government agencies throughout the world who may see XRP as a currency, but the United States, the SEC of the United States, thinks otherwise. And we're not here to converse and speak on this particular court case of XRP, but just understand that everyone were under the perception that this could be a security. And based off this docket, this complaint from the SEC, they do have some convincing amount of arguments here in this case that could substantiate that XRP is definitely a security. Now, it's not a surprise for us. I mean, we've been talking about this particular type of situation in XRP since we've been covering XRP on our particular channel. That's why we're not surprised to see this market in XRP down almost 25% today. So all of the YouTube channels who were pumping XRP, stating that it's going to go to $589 to $10 to $1, are now questioning. You need to question their viability and their credentials and their credibility in this space, because they have induced many people, right along with Ripple Labs, right along with Brad Garlinghouse and Christian Larson, into selling their possessions to you because of the premise and the hope that XRP was going to go to $589 to $10 to $5 to $1. But on our particular channel, we do not play sides. We do not care if XRP was to go to $589 because we could profit from that. We do not care if XRP goes down to 30 cents because we can profit from that. So we are unbiased in the terms of what we are expecting the market to do. We simply follow the trap. That's the one who controls the market. And once you follow the trap, you can understand precisely that they had a heads up that the SEC was going to file this complaint. They knew. Whoever controlled this market in XRP knew that that was going to occur. Why? Many people like to term, let me show you and speak on this real quick. Okay. Many people like to term this movement here as a bull run for XRP based off of the Spark Air token release. That couldn't be farther from the truth. This time period was in fact the trap, Brad Garlinghouse, Kristen Larson selling XRP into the market under the premise that you and I were going to buy it. They needed to create a market for this cryptocurrency so they could sell it to you, to us. That is precisely what occurred. And once it lost that steam and the SEC report finally came out, now you're getting the actual result of what is going on. Nobody wants to purchase XRP at this particular moment. And you cannot say that you did not know if you watch our channel. We played the weakness 3 days ago in XRP. We understood that since the trap did not capitalize here on this particular movement on the 16th of December, we understood that weakness is now in control. Granted, 5.77% profitability ultimately in our forecast, but I think I mentioned on that video, I'm not sure, you guys go and check it out on our playlist, but that we could come all the way back down to 50 cents. So either 5.75% or 12.25%. There you are. We saw the weakness though. We understood that the market was weak in XRP, and everyone is around startled and surprised that the SEC took this stance when, if you go read the complaint, it's 71 pages, but it's a lot of convincing arguments there to substantiate their claim or their complaint. So at least 5.77% or 12.25. Let's say that you play this all the way down to where we are at right now in XRP, 40%. There you are. So yes, XRP price did move substantially lower within the 3 days of us covering this. But now you guys may be wondering what is going to happen now with XRP. Well, I've seen, and if in fact, once the resolution of this complaint is resolved, will XRP still be listed on these currency exchanges? That is the question that everyone literally is waiting on. Because if not, XRP is zero. Unless they transition this XRP over to a security and list it on and consider it as in a security and place it on the stock exchange. Which simply means that XRP are shares within Ripple. That's it. So as of right now, I mean, all of that movement and excitement back in November is already gone. It burst the bubble in XRP. All of those people who convinced so many other people that XRP is now in this new bull run, that we are now going to see this market finally come to what we expected it to be, it is now gone. This is why when you come into the market, you cannot trade under emotions. You cannot trade with hopium. You cannot expect what so many people have placed into your mentality into thinking that XRP is the token or the cryptocurrency that is going to make each and every one of us rich. It is not that. That is not how the market operates. So let's go ahead and clean this up. Congratulations on those who held XRP all the way down here to around 30 cents or even 50 cents back since we did our last video. We're going to clean this up right now because we do not focus on the news, on complaints, on court cases, wherever the case may be. Here we focus in on the trap, right? So what do you expect? This is not complicated at all based off what occurred already into the market for XRP. Okay. So now we broke it. We broke the trend. So if anyone else from here on out is speaking on XRP going to the moon, you need to unsubscribe from those individuals because they do not have your interest at heart. We look at the trap and we pay attention to what's going on based on what he's done. And today he broke that overall trend in XRP. You can see it visually that the market in XRP here, let's see if I can straighten this up a little bit, back here in November was following an upward trend. Well, what is going on today in the market in XRP? we broke it today. So do not expect the market in XRP to go higher. The overall trend has been broken. So now the only thing that we can really expect in the market in XRP is for this market to hold some consolidational trading and eventually move back down to lower price. We've held 30 cents already. He has shown us that that particular area in the market for XRP is still support. Okay. Now, as this particular case situation unfolds, we'll definitely have to pay attention to see whether or not that 30 cents is going to hold. But as of right now, this market is not a buy. It's just plain and simple. Okay. So we're not expecting the market in XRP to go higher. Not at all. The only thing that we need to look forward to is how long this market can hold at 30 cents, because the longer the trap holds 30 cents, the better. But the quicker that we break it to the downside, is increasingly likely that a lot of these exchanges are going to delist XRP. Okay, so those are the things that we're looking at right now in XRP to see if it's going to be able to hold that 30 cents. I would say 30 cents to around 33 cents as support. And as we continually see this time progress and move onward, and he holds that particular price level, then we can kind of get understanding that the market may not actually delist XRP from these exchanges. But if we do not hold 30 cents as support, we understand that it is becoming increasingly likely that XRP will be delisted from these exchanges because they do not want to hold securities. Okay, so right now, I'm not going to put in a forecast. We're going to let the market work itself out. Obviously, I'm not bullish at all in the market in XRP. You shouldn't be either. But considering what has already occurred, we need to sit the sideline and see how this continually plays out. But currently, my mentality is that XRP will continue to go lower in price. There's no reason as of this particular moment to justify XRP even moving higher at this particular time. So now it's your turn. We'd like to give you all the opportunity to tell us what you think about the market. Where do you think we're headed in the next 3 days? Where will price be? Are we going to see the price go back up to 50 cents, 60 cents? Or do you expect the same thing? Are we going to hold consolidational trading around 35 cents back down to 30 cents or even lower? For right now, we're going to continue to play the weakness. So, in fact, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay. So we're going to hold some restriction around 35 cents in the market for XRP. Okay. See if I can let me look in the background real quick. All right, we're going to hold around 38 cents into the market for XRP. And the weakness, as always, we're going to TP the market around 30 cents for XRP. That's going to be our TP price, which is about 11.7% market movement to the downside for where we're at. But again, long term, we can see this market come all the way back down to 25 cents, even lower, maybe even back down to zero, depending on how this complaint from the SEC unfolds. But we're realists. This is the market. We're not here to give y'all any hopium. We're not here to persuade you or anything. We follow the trap. Now you should follow right along with him in order to make sure you maintain the profitability and take the profits back out the market. And that's it. We broke the trend. So you know what that means. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Go and trade different.